Hi and welcome to Hardware Info, and I'm gonna show you what can you do if you constantly get crash reports during playing Borderlands 4. So the first thing you can do is just to open the Borderlands 4 page on the Steam. Then here click on the settings button. Here you will find manage. And then backup game files. It's very important if you wanna save your game progress, because they will try to make different things that can damage your files. Okay, let's wait a while. Okay, cool. And backup complete. Okay. Now just click close. And now the first thing you can do is to open the settings again, but now click properties. Here select updates and make sure that you have here pause background downloads where I'm playing. It's very important. It's just it's really good to have this option enabled, just because during you playing updates will not be downloaded on your game. Then the most important thing maybe is to use installed files. So click installed files and here find verify integrity of the game files. Click on this button and wait a while again. Okay, as you can see, all files successfully validated. So in my case, I have no troubles with the game, so with the game files. But if you have trouble, so it will fix it automatically. But if it doesn't, so you can uninstall the game and install it again. You can even download new drivers, so you can open settings, find update and security here. Here find view optional updates and you will see driver updates here. You can find here update for your Realtek, for your DirectX, for your NVIDIA drivers, for example, or AMD, and download it. Or you can manually try to download DirectX from the web browser, or drivers for your video card. And that's cool. And if you will remove game and install the game, you can always use your backup. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.